What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Pro Polishers Academy, where we help paint correctors like you turn your systems into consistency by moving you through the learning curves faster, utilizing formulas that work without fail. I'm Smitty, and I'll be a lead instructor. Let's get into it. In today's episode of How to Survive as a Detailer, we're going to talk about staying ahead of the season. Most of the time, when business slows down or when it's not working out for you in a specific season, it's because you didn't stay in front of that season. And what I mean by that is you weren't marketing for the upcoming season in the current season. So anytime wintertime's on the way, you want to start marketing for that wintertime season in the summer, close to the end of the summer, letting everybody know the services that you offer, whether it be by word of mouth while you're dealing with customers coming in, or by doing some paid advertisements to get people's minds prepared for that upcoming season and to let them know that you're the one who can take care of the vehicle for them when the time comes. And the reason you want to do this is because it's always harder to push something in the season of that thing. So you don't want to wait until summertime to start pushing your summer package when people have already been doing their research at the end of the winter and the beginning of spring on who they're going to get their vehicles detailed by. So you want to start marketing for your summertime packages at the end of that wintertime, in the beginning of spring, when pollen is starting to kick up and people are starting to look at the vehicle and they're ready to get it taken care of as soon as that pollen dies down. You got to stay in front of that season so that you can be in your potential customer's mind subconsciously, so that before they ever search, they remember the advertisement that they saw from you, or they remember you telling them the last time they came in that you had this package that was for pollen, and it's a maintenance package. It's not the typical price tag. It's a little less expensive because they'll be coming in a little more often to get that pollen off the vehicle, but they'll remember you pre-season because they've seen you pop up. They've had conversations with you, as opposed to waiting until that actual season occurs and now you've got to convince them or persuade them into getting the job done, and that can take a lot longer. They may end up coming in, but the problem with that is they may start to flood in at the end of that season. So the moment you start to get that momentum, the season is about to be over with, and now it's time to market for the next season. So always stay ahead of that season that you're in, and that will help you stay out of any fluctuations when it comes to income. You need to always be thinking about what's going to happen in your business, what services you need to offer, what shifts you might need to make anytime you see the next season getting ready to take a drastic turn. And in some places, there might not be much of a fluctuation when it comes to weather. But if you're, say, up north in the U.S. or down south in the U.S. or in a place that always has some type of fluctuation, it might be dry one day, it might be wet the next day. If you have extreme fluctuations, you need to be ready for those different shifts so that your business can continue to have that smooth, steady flow, and you don't have strong interruptions that can shut your business down at the end of the day if you're not ready for them. And so that's the strategy for today on how to survive as a detailer. Stay ahead of the season. Don't just be thinking about the money that you're making in the summertime. It might be coming in really well. And even if you know wintertime's coming, and last winter and the winter before that, it was working out well, you don't know what this winter might bring. So you always need to have that contingency plan so that you can continue to have the growth and the expansion that you are looking for. And you should also always expect a little bit of a cutback even when summertime comes. You know, sometimes it can slow down from springtime to summertime just for whatever reason. Always be expecting it to slow down just a little bit, and then if it does ramp up beyond that, then that's a good thing. But always be expecting it to slow down just a little bit, because with any shift there's going to be a change in the flow, and that can affect it good or bad in the beginning. So always be alert and be aware of that. If you're looking to get into a community of detailers who can help you out with things like this, structuring your business, day-to-day operations, trying to understand your standard operating procedures, how to do basic paint correction and ceramic coating, how to get that information that you need to see your business thrive and grow, hit the link below. Join us in the Pro Polishers Academy. We'd love to have you in there. We've got 24/7 live support in our Discord server, and we have live calls on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And somebody's always available to help you out if you get stuck in a situation, or if you need help pricing a vehicle that you're checking out and you're not sure what that price tag should be. Somebody will help you out with that and get you moving as soon as possible. Make sure you close the deal on that vehicle. Hit the link below. It's only 99 bucks a month. We'd love to help you guys out and blow your business up as soon as possible. In-person training is great. You need it. But what do you do when you get home and you get stuck on something that was not taught in that classroom or on that car while you were working? hit the link below, guys. We'd love to help you out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification for more videos just like this right here at the Pro Polishers Academy. I really love this series because every detailer that I know, 8 out of 10 of them are trying to figure out how to survive. So hey, this is a really good series for anybody who's out there debating on whether or not they want to start a business or debating on whether or not they want to quit their business. So keep sticking around. We've got many more videos, much more content coming in just like this right here at the Pro Polishers Academy. That's it for today, guys. We'll see you next time. The paint is waiting on you. Peace.